Namaste everyone. Welcome back to physics class. So we were discussing about integration and we have seen definite integrals and indefinite integrals. Namaste, hope you are doing very well and welcome back to the class. So we have seen definite and indefinite integrals. If you are going to integrate, what are the things you have differentiated? If you are going to collect them and put in the single box, or if you want to collect them totally and if you want to find out the sum in the different variables, values, then it is called integration. And if you are finding out within certain limits, for example, what is the distance travel between 2 points? Suppose if your bus is already at 100 meters away from me, and if it travels to a point, another point which is 500 meters away from me, what is the distance traveled by the bus? So it was at 100 meters from me and it has traveled to 500 meters away. So the distance traveled by the bus is 500 minus 100. That is upper limit minus lower limit. And if you put limits like this, then it is called definite integrals, and if you don't put the limits, it is called indefinite integral. So we will see both, right, how to integrate. And the one thing in integration is, once you get the answer, you can verify whether it is correct or not. Differentiate it again. You should get back to the original equation. Okay, we will see one by one equations. So first we will see indefinite integrals, and this is the okay, we will look into the formulas first of all. We will get back to the formulas. We have seen this list once and now we will get back to this. Now whenever you have a variable x, right, what is d by dx of x? We write differentiate x with respect to x itself. How does x vary with x? That is 1, because here if you apply the formula n x to the power n minus 1, then the formula will be like this, 1 x to the power 1 minus 1, that is x to the power 0, that is equal to 1. That is what we write, correct? So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, d by dt of t is 1, d by d theta of theta is 1. Then what is the integration of 1? Of course, integration of 1 is 1 dx is x. Integration of 1 d theta is theta, because differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. D by d theta of theta is 1. Integration of 1 with respect to time is t, because d by dt of t is equal to 1, right? So integration of 1 is dt. So if you integrate it, you should get back this one. If you integrate this, you will get back this one. Now the problem is that constant c. From where did you get this constant c? Now suppose you get back to this one. Okay, integration of 1 dx is x, correct? Now because d by dx of x is 1, that's why we write integration of 1 is x. But you will surprisingly find that d by dx of x plus 6 s barbecue. What is the value of this? D by dx of x plus 6, differentiation of x plus 6. This is also equal to 1. Why? Because this is equal to d by dx of x plus d by dx of 6. But d by dx of 6 is 0. Differentiation of 6 is 0, because as x varies, 6 doesn't vary. 6 is a constant number. It is an integer. So d by dx of x is 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then what is the integration of 1? We wrote it as x. But where is this 6? If we just wrote that integration of 1 is x with respect to x, so 1 dx is x integration, because d by dx of x equal to 1. But d by dx of x plus 6 is also x, right? It is also x, 1, that is also equal to 1. Yeah, this was explained while integrating. So this is also equal to 1. D by dx of x plus 100 is also equal to 1, because d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of constant is 0. So when you integrate this back, how will you get this constant? Whether it is this constant, whether it is this constant. So there may be something like x plus 100, x plus 200, x plus 5, x plus 6. So what is that constant? That we don't know, because differentiation of all the constants is 0. So what is the integration of 0 then? It may be any constant. So that's why we write integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus, there may be some constant. But this constant doesn't trouble you when you go for definite integrals. Definite integrals ಗೆ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅದು ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. I have explained this in the previous video, right? So integration of 1 dx is x plus c, because there may be a constant, right? Now, why that integration constant is not needed in definite integrals? Reason is very simple. You are standing here, right? Your friend is moving and your friend is already at a distance of 100 meters. This is a constant for you. Say he moves with uniform acceleration within initial velocity, something like that. Say he covers a distance of 500 meters after some 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds he is here. He is going on a walk. So going for a walk, and he is at a distance of 500 meters, sorry, like this. Then what is the distance traveled by the person? When you go for upper limit, in the 500 meters, that is upper limit, final position, from your position to the friend. So this is friend's position, this is friend, this is you, right? So in the final position, that is upper limit 500 meters, this 100 is included, right? That 100, oh okay, 100 meters, this 100 is included in 500 meters. In 100 meters, 100 is included. In both this 100 is included. So what is the distance traveled by your friend? It is 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. So that gets cancelled, right? In 500 there is 400 plus 100. In 100 there is 100. So they get cancelled when you subtract it. So no problem from there onwards. That's why we don't write this constant. That constant is not needed. Here that constant is 100. Wherever your friend moves, his initial distance from you should be added to the distance traveled. So that constant gets subtracted. When you subtract the two positions, that constant will be deleted from the value when you get the answer. So definitely this constant is not needed in the integration with limits, definite integration. Okay. Now, so integration of 1 dx is x plus c, correct? So that constant must be written in, you see here we didn't put limit hakilla navali, adu indefinite agate, ellinda ellige anta hakilla. So 1 dx is x plus c, and integration of 1 dt is t plus c. Some constant we don't know, because when you differentiate this, that plus constant 0 no agirbodu, 25 agirbodu, differentiation of constant is 0, t is 1. So integration of theta d theta is equal to 1 d theta, with respect to d theta it is theta plus c, barita hogbekagutte. Okay, what about second equation? Integration of a constant a dx. Integration of a constant, integration of a constant into dx, that must be equal to ax plus c. Yaku gotta? Differentiate madidana. Say this is integration of 6. It is 6x plus c. Yakandre d by dx of 6x plus c. Illa nimge uttara sigatte. D by dx of 6x plus c is equal to d by dx of 6x plus d by dx of constant. What is d by dx of 6x? That is 6 into a differentiation of x. 1 x to the power 1 minus 1, that is 1. So it is 6 plus differentiation of a constant is 0, that is 6. So differentiation of 6 is 6x plus c. What is the integration of 6 is 6x plus c. What is the integration of some 10 dt? It is 10t, because differentiation of 10t is 10 plus a constant, because even if you have 500, 200, 22, 53, whatever the constant here, when you differentiate it, you will get 0, right? Whatever it is constant. So when you come from integration, we don't know what was there in that place of constant. Simply c in the So 10t plus c. Hope you have understood this formula. Now integration of x to the power n dx. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integration of x to the power n dx. Power idre x ge. X to the power n antidre. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, except for x equal to minus 1. Adon bittu. Sorry, n equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1 on bitre. Then for all the values you can apply this. N equal to minus 1 aguvaga adu ln x agutte, log x agutte. Okay? So for other than n is equal to minus 1, x to the power, yakandre n equal to minus 1 hakidre illi enayitu? Why it is except for n equal to minus 1? X equal to minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. This is 0, x to the power 0. What about this one? This is 0. 1 by 0. This is not defined. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ. Something divided by 0. You have 5 mangoes distributed to 0 people. Meaningless. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that's why we don't define this. n equal -1 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗತ್ತಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ x to the power n? ನಾವು dx ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವೇರಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ x to the power n ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಪುನಃ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ x to the power n? ಎಸ್. d by dx ಆಫ್ x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಮ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ x to the power n ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅದರ್. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಂದರಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. ಸೊ what is d by dx of x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1? That is equal to 1 by n plus 1 is a constant. d by dx of x to the power n plus 1. That is equal to 1 by n plus 1 d by dx of x to the power n plus 1. n x to the power n minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೇ n plus 1 ಇದೆ. Am I right? ನಮ್ಮ n x to the power n minus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ d by dx of x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೇ n plus 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ n. Am I right? n ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ n x to the power n minus 1. What is this answer? That is equal to ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? x to the power n plus 1 minus 1 x to the power n. See you get this back. ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. You go for differentiation of final answer obtained, you should get back. Okay? Yeah. Sin x, what is the integration of sin x? It is minus cos x because differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? Integration of sin x. Okay, integration of sin x dx with respect to x is equal to minus cos x plus c. What about the differentiation of this? d by dx of minus cos x plus c is equal to minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus differentiation of constant is 0. This is sin x plus sin x. See, you will get back this. Similarly, differentiation of cos x is sin x because integration of cos x is sin x because differentiation of sin x is cos x. ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ if you simply write sin x, then of course what happens is differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of sin x plus 10 is also cos x. ಅದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ there is no guarantee that we will get the same answer, right? So cos x ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. sin x plus 10 ಇದು cos x ಬರೋದು, sin x plus 100 ಇದು cos x ಬರೋದು, sin x ಇದು cos x ಬರೋದು. So there may be a constant term, yes, plus c. And you know differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x is tan x plus c. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now integration of 1 by x dx, ಅದು x to n to the power minus 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, x to the power minus 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. We leave that n equal to minus 1 because it becomes indefinite. So we write integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x or log x plus c. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, plus constant, otherwise there will be a problem because if you differentiate this ln x then you will get 1 by x plus differentiation of a constant is 0, so you will get 1 by x dx. ಅದು 0 ಆದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x dx, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x to the power n minus 1, ರೈಟ್? x to the power minus 1 ಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. dx is equal to ln x plus c because you can write this as x to the power minus 1. So here you can't apply integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus a constant So you can't apply that formula here. ಅದೊಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, x to the power minus 1 ಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. And e to the power x, of course, it is a very friendly one. E to the power x differentiation is e to the power x. So if you have e to the power x plus 6, d by dx of e to the power x plus 6 is e to the power x, because differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, differentiation of 6 is 0. So what is the integration of e to the power x dx? So e to the power x plus, there may be some constant here, plus constant in the barkobeku. So these are the formulas. So just ತುಂಬ ಏನು ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. While working out the formulas, problems, you will come to know how to write the integration, right? Methods ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So integration of cos x is minus sin x, correct? Sorry, integration of cos x is sin x itself. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. And integration of 1 is a constant, x plus c. Integration of a is x plus c. So on, all formulas. Right, we will go to the problems one by one. Problems ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ formulas. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೂತು ಬಾಯಾಟ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just try to remember them. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ already you have seen the differentiation formulas. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. Yes, right, first for problem. So 8x cube minus 3x square plus 5 dx, integrated. Integrate, symbol nodi, integration idu. It is like this, integrate, no limits, it is an indefinite integral. 8x cube minus 3x square plus 5 dx. So integrate this formula. So what is the answer? So while integrating we will write it like this. So after integration we will get it like this, that is equal to 8x cube, 8 is a constant, x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3 constant, x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We are not differentiating, we are integrating, we are just adding the intervals, right? Okay, plus this is 5x. Of course, you can do like this. You can imagine that there is an x to the power 0, 5 into 1. Integration of 1 is x plus c, right? So integration of 5 into x to the power 0. x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. ಹಾಗೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು. x to the power 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. 0 ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, -1 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. So x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus a constant ಇರಬೇಕು, because differentiation of a constant is 0. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು. So this is one step. Next step, 8 x to the power 4 by 4 minus 3x cube by 3 plus 5x. ಇದು 1, ಇದು x to the power 1 plus c. So what is the answer? 2x to the power 4 minus x cube plus 5x plus c. This is the answer. Integration of this term is this one. You will get back this. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ the answer is wrong. Shall we differentiate it? Okay, fast ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ differentiation. d by dx of 2x to the power 4 minus x cube plus 5x plus c. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, that is equal to 8x cube, right? 8x cube minus 3x square nx to the power n minus 1 plus 5 into 1x to the power 1 minus 1, ಅದು x 1, ಅದು 5 plus 0 plus 0. Is it so? 8x cube minus 3x square plus 5 is plus 0. So that is the value, right? So in short time, first time confusion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sir ಆ formula ಈ formula. Simply differentiation of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Integration is x to the power n plus 1 by x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Confusion definite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you are a human being, you will definitely get confused. ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್, then everything becomes pure. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. Second problem. integration of minus 16x cube 12x square plus 2x minus 10. Similar problem. ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ minus 16x cube plus 12x square plus 2x minus 10 with respect to x. Yes, that is equal to minus 16 into x to the power 4 by 4. I'll cut short one step. 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. 12 into x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 10. Here you can write x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 1 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. Plus say integration constant. Okay, that is equal to minus 4 x to the power 4 plus 4x cube plus x square minus 10x plus c. This is the value. Integration of 16x minus 16x cube 12x square 2x minus 10. Differentiate this. D by dx is equal to of this equation. I don't write all the equation. What is the answer? So here it is over actually. This part is over, but still we will check it. Minus 16x cube plus 12x square plus 2x minus 10 plus 0. Is it the same equation? Yes, it's very funny, right? You are getting back the same thing. Whatever you have learnt earlier, you are coming reverse of that the studies, right? You are getting it back. It becomes very nice and you feel happy to get back the equation, right? Third one, x square plus 2x plus 6. Again, very similar equation. X square plus 2x plus 6. So you have to integrate this. Integration of x square plus 2x plus 6 dx. That is equal to x cube by 3 x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 2 constant x square by 2 x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 6x, because here you can assume that there is x to the power 0. X to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Okay, then dx. Okay, plus constant. Okay, then what else? So that is equal to only this much. Here you can cancel 2. X cube by 3 plus x square plus 6x plus constant. This is the answer. Shall we differentiate it? D by dx is equal to d by dx of that equation gives 3x square by 3 is a constant, 3x square 2x plus 6, 2x to the power 2 minus 1, 6 1 into 1x to the power 1 minus 1, that is 1. So this gets cancelled, x squared plus 2x plus 6. Correct? Yes. Fourth one, 8 by x cube minus 3 by x square plus 12 by x dx. So an equation in which the small variables are given like this and you have to integrate this. Integration of 8 by x cube. Shall I write it as 8x to the power minus 3. I'll bring x to the power to the numerator because minus 3 is allowed in x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Our formula minus 3 is allowed, minus 1 not allowed, right? So minus 3x to the power minus 2, correct? Minus 3x to the power minus 2 plus 12 by x. Adan as it is itkotini. Okay? 12 by x dx. Hope you have understood. 8x to the power minus 3, 3x to the power minus 2, 12 by x agate kodone. X to the power minus 1 ige x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula agala. Okay, that is equal to 8 x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 into x to the power. Now integration form that symbol I have removed. Okay, integration symbol ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. minus 3 x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 12 is a constant 1 by x ln x. This is the answer. So that is equal to 8 minus 8 8 x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 minus 3 into x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. Of course this minus gets cancelled, plus 12 ln x. So this is 4 times minus 4x to the power minus 2 minus plus 3x to the power minus 1 plus 12 ln x. Now this can be written as minus 4 by x square plus 3 by x plus 12 ln x. This is the answer. This is the answer for the integration. ಈ integration ಗೆ answer ಇದು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Of course ಇದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Differentiate this. d by dx of that equation is equal to, differentiate this. You should get back this one. Of course ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So I have written it there only. So what is the differentiation? 4x to the minus 4 constant, x to the power minus 2 minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 n x to the power n minus 1. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಕಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? You will forget this formula. Minus 4, okay, I'll come back here. Minus 4, differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು. Minus 4, n x to the power n minus 1 minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1 n x to the power n minus 1 plus 12 ln x 1 by x. Integration, differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. That is equal to, this is minus 4 minus 8 plus 8 x to the power minus 3 minus 3 x to the power minus 2 plus 12 by x. 8 by x cube minus 3 by x square plus 12 by x. Is it 1? 8 by, it is here only. 8 by x cube minus 3 by x square, 12 by x. So you will get it back. So answer is correct. We can verify it. You can give the full mark now only. ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Fifth one. Here comes a different type. Not a different type actually. Other same. X to the power ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, half square root ಅನ್ನ. So you need not worry about the problem. Yes. This is not getting cleaned. Right. Root x anna, you write it as x to the power half. Then solve it. It becomes very easy. Okay. So we'll write it. I have to clean the board. Yes. You can start answering it. Okay. Integration of root x plus 1 by 5 root x dx. Okay, that is equal to integration of x to the power half plus 5 into x to the power minus half dx. Is it right? X to the power half, 1 by 5, sorry, it is 1 by 5. You take this to the numerator, x to the power minus half, because here it is x to the power half, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು x to the power half, ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ x to the power minus half. So that is equal to integration, we will go for the integration, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by 5 constant x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus an integration constant. Did we write integration constant last time? I think we have forgotten. That is equal to, so what we have to do now? Yes, x to the power half plus 1, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5 x to the power minus half by plus half, 1 minus half plus half by plus half plus some integration constant. So what is the answer? That is equal to 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5 x to the power half. Of course, you can write it in another way. That implies, or that is equal to 2 by 3 cube root of square root of x, you can write, or let it be like this. No problem. This is the answer. Now differentiate this. You should get it this back, correct? Idi vapas barbeku. So how do you differentiate this? D by dx of that equation comes to 2 by 3 into n is 3 by 2, n x to the power n minus 1, n 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 by 5, okay, this is over, plus 2 by 5 into n x to the power n minus 1 plus constant differentiation is 0. Okay, so you keep that constant in the previous problem. I think I have forgotten to write plus constant. That is equal to, this gets cancelled, x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3, right? No, 1 by 2 plus, here 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 5 x to the power minus half plus differentiation of constant is 0. That is equal to root x plus, this is x to the power half in the denominator, 1 by 5 root x. Root x plus 1 by 5 root x. That is the answer baratte. Shall we move on to the 6th problem? Right. Problem number 6. 16x to the power 3 by 4 minus 18x to the power 1 by 4. Okay, all these problems, just hope you are writing all these problems, right? You have to write it and you have to practice it yourself. It is not a practice for me, it is a practice for you. But I am helping, that's all. Okay. (16x to the power 3 by 4 minus 18x to the power 1 by 4 dx. Okay, we will continue it. So that is equal to 16 3 by 4, sorry, x to the power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 by 4 plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 18 into x to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 1 plus an integration constant. That is equal to 16, what is 3 by 4 plus 1? 7 by 4. Yeah, x to the power 7 by 4 by 7 by 4 minus 18 into x to the power, this is 5 by 4 by 5 by 4 plus an integration constant. In case if I forget to write any integration constant, please write yourself. That is equal to, this is 4 comes to the numerator, so 64 by 7 x to the power 7 by 4 minus, so this is 72 by 5 x to the power 5 by 4 plus integration constant. This is the answer. That is the integration of 16x to the power 3 by 4 minus 18x to the power 1 by 4. Differentiate this. Will you get it back? And just keep it in mind. After integration, you need not differentiate it. Okay? That's not asked here. But simply we are checking it whether we get back the same equation or not. Simply playing with it, right? So what is the differentiation of that equation? D by dx of that equation gives 64 by 7. So this is n x to the power n minus 1. N x to the power n minus 1. 7 by 4 minus 1. Minus 72 by 5 into constant 5 by 4 x to the power 5 by 4 x to the power 5 by 4 minus 1 plus integration constant. Its differentiation is 0. That is equal to 7 gets cancelled. 4 16s are 16 x to the power 3 by 4. 7 by 4, 4 common, this is 4 times, 7 minus 4 is 3. Is it minus 5, 18, x to the power 1 by 4 and plus 0. 16x to the power 3 by 4 minus 18x to the power 1 by 4. Get it back. Okay, seventh one. X to the power 3 plus 5 by x square dx. Okay. I think better you spread it. You are integrating, not differentiating. No UV rule, right? That is differentiation of UV. That is different one. That is for differentiation. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು integrate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Something variable varies according to the equation x cube plus 5 divided by x square. ಅದನ್ನು integrate ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, integration of x cube plus 5 by x square dx. That is equal to, we can write it like this. Divide this. Integration x cube by x square plus 5 by x square dx. Integration x plus 5x to the power minus 2 dx. Am I right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು x ಉಳಿಯಿತು, x cube by x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 by x square ಅನ್ನು 5 into x to the power minus 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ dx. So that is equal to, integration of x to the power 1, x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 5 x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus integration constant. That is equal to x squared by 2 plus 5 x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus an integration constant. That is equal to x squared by 2 plus minus 5 by x. Minus 5 by x plus a integration constant. So now differentiate this. D by dx of this equation, 2x half constant, this half 2x minus 5, this comes to x to the power minus 1, differentiation possible, then x to the power minus 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x to the power minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1, because I have to treat this as x to the power minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0. So what is the answer? X, ಇದು x ಆಯಿತು, minus 5 plus ಆಯಿತು, x minus of minus 5 x to the power minus 2, that is equal to x plus 5 by x square. X square common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ here 1 you have 1 x square time x squared x times x cube plus x squared 1 times 5. Again back to the same equation. So you will get this back. Okay, we will move to the 8th problem. 1 by 3x root x. 1 by 3x root x. Yes. Okay. Integration of 1 by 3x root x dx. You will combine all x. Integration of, that implies 1 by 3x x to the power half dx. That is equal to integration of x to the power 1 plus half x to the power 3 by 2. So here 3x to the power 3 by 2 dx. That implies integration of 1 by 3 x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. That is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will integrate. Then we will omit the symbol ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, integration start ಮಾಡಿದರೆ x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half, correct? 2 minus half by minus half. That is equal to minus 2 by 3. This 2 comes to the numerator. Minus 2 by 3 ಆಯಿತು. X to the power minus half ಅನ್ನು x square ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. X to the power half ಅಂತ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. X to the power half. This 2 comes to the numerator. Minus ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 x to the power half ಅಂದರೆ minus 2 by 3 root x. This is the answer. Minus 2 by 3 root x. X to the power half ಅಂದರೆ root x. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, we will take the differentiation of this term. Minus d by dx of minus 2 by 3 x to the power minus half. ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. x to the power minus half. Minus 2 by 3 x to the power minus half. Minus 2 by 3 is a constant. n a to the power n minus 1. That is equal to, this becomes plus, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus minus cancel ಆಯಿತು, x to the power minus 3 by 2, right, minus half minus 1 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 can be written as half plus 1 x to the power 3 x to the power half x to the power 1. So 1 by 3 root x and x, 3x root x. We'll get it back. So it goes like this. We have still some more problems to come. We will do it in the next video. Thanks for watching my class. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ together. When you do it, you get a grip on that. Hope you will do it. Thanks for watching my class. We will meet with few more problems in the next video. Thank you.